Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to perform keyboard actions in Playwright, including shortcuts like Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and how to type text automatically using the keyboard. These actions are useful when you are automating text fields, forms, or simulating their user typing behavior. So let's begin. Create a new test file, right click on test folder, new file, and enter file name actions.spec.ts. Now enter the test here. First import test and expect test and expect from playwright test. Now enter the test name keyboard and mouse actions, comma, async, and round brackets. Inside this round brackets, curly brackets, page, and callback function. Now here you will write the test. First navigate to the URL. We need to open the website. This is the website where you can compare the text. So you need to enter text here and paste text here. I will show you how you can perform these actions by using Playwright. Open VS Code and first navigate to the URL await page dot go to and then enter the URL here. Copy this complete text and enter here. After navigating to URL, we need to enter some text here in this field. So right click here, inspect, and here we can locate this element by ID, and ID is input text one. Const here enter. After define the URL const input one, this is input one is equal to page dot locator and then enter value here, which is input text one, and define second variable here. Input 2 is equal to page dot locator and then enter value here. For locating this element, we need to type some text here. So click on inspect and here ID is available input text 2. ID is equal to input text 2. Enter here. Here we just define the locator. Now click on input field 1. First click on this field. Await input 1 dot click. Here multiple options are available. You can clear if you want to clear the field. Suppose you have entered some text in this field and you want to clear the text. So you can use here dot clear. If you want to input in this field, so you need to enter here dot click. Click method is used for clicking. If you want to click on button, so you can also use dot click. After clicking on first input field, you want to enter some text. Here use await page dot keyboard dot type and enter this text in first field. Playwright keyboard and mouse demo. This line is used for input the text into first field. Now after enter the text in first field, we want to select all the text. So we can use Control A. Control plus A is used for select all the text. Await page dot keyboard and press these keys. Control plus A. It will select all the text. After selecting all text, we can copy this text. So copy this text and paste into the second input field. Await page dot keyboard dot press Control plus V. Control plus V. First we will copy this text. So here we will use Control plus C for copy this text, and then click on this field. We want to paste the text into this field. So here first we will click on second input fields and then paste the text in second input field. Await page dot. First click on field. So here we will use await input 2 dot click. First click on second input field and then paste the text. Await page dot keyboard dot press Control plus V, which is used for paste the text, and then enter some text. If you want to add new lines in this field, suppose you have enter some text and you want to click on enter, so you can enter by keyboard. Await page dot keyboard dot press enter. First click on enter key and then write the text into the next line. Await page dot keyboard dot type text. This line was added after pressing enter. Let's add some weight here because the test case will execute fast. For understanding, just add weight here. Await page dot wait for timeout round bracket and 2000. Now save the file and we can run the test. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and here we locate first input text 1 and locate second input field. After locating this element, we need to click on first input field and then enter some text in first field. And then Control A used for select all the text and copy the text. After copy the text, it will paste the text into second input fields. Now we can run the test. For running the test, enter command here npx playwright test, enter file name which is actions.spec.ts, headed project chromium. Now, just click on enter and the test will run. Running in this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and copy first text and paste into the second input field. Navigate to this URL and enter some text in first input field and paste into second input field, and then press the enter key. After pressing enter key, type this text. That's all about the keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl C, Ctrl V and Ctrl A. and how to type text dynamically in Playwright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Playwright tutorials. See you in the next video.